There we
Oh,
go.
thank you. Thank you. Got the 5 minutes remaining to the 5
Crude,
minutes
baby,
remaining.
crude.
Oh, let's
Thanks, Eddie.
do it.
Appreciate it.
Let's
right.
do it, JD.
We had a little mix-up with some of our live P&L data, so we're going to hold off on those today until we get a few things straightened out. But here are your XFA P&L leaders from yesterday. Our guy Chung is back at it, guys.
Wow.
This guy's been nothing short of amazing this month. So, in his XFA account, he was good for $54,575 yesterday. But he was trading in 4 XFAs yesterday. Total P&L across his 4 XFAs was $162,852. He was also trading it in a live funded account, and it took me a little while to get this confirmed, but I can confirm that he also made $31,252 trading in that live account. So his grand total across 4 XFAs and 1 live account yesterday was $194,102 Wowza.
Wow.
That's a day.
Numbers. And yesterday, too, just a grind higher day. Yeah.
Right?
Just got long and rode it all day.
Rode it, yeah.
I mean, if you managed to cash that, that would have been an awesome trade. It's just so difficult once it's already on the way, at least for me.
Yeah. At least for me, not to take profit too. Just being like, you know what, that's good enough. We're barely kind of chugging along. I'm just going to cut it.
See, I'm good at not
moving 200 points in 10 minutes like it was last week.
Yeah, one of the things that I do well is to look for the home runs, and I can stay in trade because I used to be a swing trader. So, holding a trade over, a few hours, it's fine. Because I used to hold trades for like 2 weeks, up to 2 months sometimes as well. So that's not a problem. But obviously those trending days don't happen that often. They are outliers, and it's kind of difficult to predict them. True trending days like we've seen yesterday, they're really...
All right, I'll be back in a little bit with hot streaks and some payout numbers.
Thank you. All right. Still chopping around right now. We got the number here. Eddie, we got about 40 seconds till EIA.
40 seconds.
We'll go to D here. D, you got the position on long 5 micro from $78.20.
I've accepted the loss already. Don't care.
Yep. It's okay. We managed the risk.
Yep.
Pop here one time. This will be exciting, though. Buyers stepping back in. These wicks are getting longer in the NQ. Look at the 5 minute. And wicks are long in the ES. Look at the 5 minutes. It is chop with volume. Chop with volume. Very, very dangerous for us locals. We call us locals. We're the little guys. Us locals, it is
pea shooters.
Pea shooters, as Hogue says. Pea shooters. All right, Eddie, what we got? I've not seen it yet. Come up.
Well, we got an update from Papa Giorgio on Team JD. So he was looking at an ES level.
Crude oil inventories here.
33. Oh.
Crude oil inventories coming in at 1.357 million. They were looking at negative 2 million.
And D for your gasoline inventories coming in at negative 2.89. They were looking at negative 1.42. And there you have it for our EIA.
Thank you. Well, D, you said it. Whole lot of nothing.
Yeah, still alive. For now.
For now, I saw what just happened. Yeah, I was like, come on. What was the number?
Yeah.
It was better than expected.
They always do
Better
this
than
at the release.
Yeah. They figure it out. Let's trade 54.56 in the ES. All right, now we got the initial balance, Hogue. We got it.
Yeah, the S&Ps are presenting as much stronger than the Nasdaq. S&Ps traded basically right down to weekly kickoff high 54.45 and had a nice bounce right back to settlement, right back to VWAP. That VWAP is pretty flat. I don't think we're looking for opportunities near VWAP. We had average session range low by Ray again. Hats off to D on that. That level was 54.38 quarter. Didn't quite get to that. That weekly kickoff high in the S&P is holding. Nasdaq has already traded down through that afternoon pullback low, and it's another 20 points down to that afternoon pullback low in the S&Ps. That would be kind of the next level I'd look at. But we do now have the initial balance established. We get a failed downside auction. That would be something that we could certainly look at, especially with as close as its proximity is to the weekly kickoff high, 54.
Crude, new low.
New low crude, yep. So I apologize. I had to run away for a second. We had a bunch of hail damage at the house, and the contractor came and he just needed to talk to me for a few minutes, but he's a really cool guy. He went to go see the Dead and Company at the Sphere, and he brought me a T-shirt.
Whoa.
Nice.
Man.
How cool is
Loves
that?
it, man. Look at that. Look at the smile on his face. Look at the smile
What
on
a
his
nice
face.
guy. Hey, insurance is paying for everything, so why not, right?
Absolutely. You got a free T-shirt out of it. That's pretty cool, man. All right, sellers coming in here in the sellers coming in. We do have a check mark for 18,952. Coach Paul here in tops of daily levels. Oh, do you like it? 952. Got a pivot here from Coach Vince. Again, this is. We can take a look at the S&Ps as well. S&Ps stronger of the two.
Yes.
54.48. What Hogue? Weekly kickoff high.
He rejected on VWAP though.
Yeah, it did.
That was a trade.
So 952, NASDAQ 952. I see value low yesterday, as well as the IB high yesterday, relatively close. I'm looking like 934 down to 921, 952. That's right where we are right now.
Yeah, and we're whipping blue right through it.
Some single TPOs there, but there's also single TPOs back down to the IB high from yesterday, which is NASDAQ 922. I mean, at this point, I'm really nervous looking for any kind of longs.
All right. Okay, downside time. We are selling here. All right, guys, hit up your teams. Hit up your teams for some levels here. We are selling. Yep, yes, we are.
So
see if the captain's got anything for us. Yeah.
We got a level from Papa Giorgio in the ES. He's looking at 54.33. Not quite sure if we're going to get there, but it looks like we are going to get there pretty quick. Papa Giorgio is working shorts all morning, but now starting to lean towards longs. We'll see what happens with that as we continue to break now, but we are approaching that 54.33 level.
433 check mark there. Another check mark.
We've got Hanjin, who has a level, an acceleration level to the downside at 18,910.
Oh, okay. I like this. This is a new type. It's a new type.
We've got range extension to